Welcome to this tutorial. How does Facebook Live work? Go to your Facebook page. In the newsfeed, click What's on your mind. Now, click on More Options, and here you will see Live Video. Click Live Video. This will open a live page in your camera view at right bottom with some settings on the page. You can select an option to share this live video on your timeline, to a page you manage, or in a group. Under Privacy, you can select any option. For the demo purpose, we have selected the Only Me option. Give an appropriate title for the live video. Write a nice description to grab the attention of your audience. Click on the Go Live button. You are live now on Facebook. In real time of your life, you can reply to your viewer comments in the comments section. To end your live video, click on the red button at the bottom. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.